If your mind feels cluttered, if your thoughts are loud, if you've been carrying too many tabs open inside your head, you're in the right place. You don't need to fix anything right now. You just need to switch off the noise. Your mind doesn't need to run all day. Let's take just 5 minutes to return to calm and switch off the mental noise together. You can use this meditation anytime you need a calm reset during overstimulation, anxiety, or overthinking. So wherever you are, whatever you were just doing, press pause. For the next 5 minutes, this is your permission to stop, to reset. Welcome to your moment of calm. This is your permission to pause, to breathe, and to quiet the endless stream of thoughts. You don't have to solve everything right now. You just have to return to you. Sit or lie down comfortably. Settle into your seat. Let your hands rest. And if you can, let your eyes soften or gently close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop, even just 1 millimeter. Feel your body supported beneath you. Bring your awareness to your feet, your hands, and your jaw. Let each of them soften. Now let's begin with your breath, the quickest way to switch gears. Breathe in slowly through the nose for a count of 3. Hold it for a moment and exhale out softly through the mouth for a count of 5. Make the exhale slow, like you're fogging a mirror. Ready? Inhale calm deeply, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale tension slowly, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale peace for 3. Hold. Exhale the noise for 5. Keep it going. Let the longer exhale be your anchor. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And one last time. Inhale. Hold. And a long, slow, complete exhale. Let it go. Now, bring your awareness to your body, to the sensations. Notice the feeling of your feet on the floor, your hands resting softly. Feel the weight of your head, the gentle pull of gravity. Let your skull feel heavy. Now, bring attention to your tongue. Let it rest softly in the bottom of your mouth. Not pressed, not held, just soft. your jaw unclenching. There's nothing to hold. Let it drop. Now, the muscles behind your eyes. Unclench them. Let the gaze go dark and soft behind your eyelids. Just feel these three things: heavy head, soft tongue, soft eyes. Hold your attention there for a few quiet seconds. Now, notice your thoughts. They might still be there, chattering. That's okay. Imagine the mind as a room. Not a messy one, just cluttered. Too many voices. Too many thoughts are trying to be heard. In this room, you are the light switch. And right now, you choose off. Let the noise fade like a dimmer switch turning down. The pace slows. The volume lowers. Imagine them like subtitles on a silent movie. Thoughts are the passing subtitles. Words scrolling by on a screen. And you are the quiet screen behind them. You don't have to read them. You don't have to follow the story. You can simply let the words scroll. And then return your focus to the sensation of your exhale. To the soft tongue. To the heavy head. Let your breath lead. Feel the silence grow, not empty, but peaceful. Not blank, but clear. You are safe here. You don't have to solve everything right now. Now, let's seal in this calm with a few quiet statements. Repeat them silently in your mind, or just let them wash over you, letting your breath guide you. Feel them settle in your nervous system. Inhale calm and exhale the chatter while allowing these words to settle. I am not my thoughts. I am the calm beneath them. I am not my thoughts. I am the calm beneath them. I am not my thoughts. I am the calm beneath them. It's safe for me to slow down. It's safe for me to slow down. It's safe for me to slow down. My mind is safe to rest. My mind is safe to rest. My mind is safe to rest. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. My nervous system can settle quickly. My nervous system can settle quickly. My nervous system can settle quickly. Inhale stillness. Exhale overthinking while repeating inwardly. I don't need to figure it all out right now. I don't need to figure it all out right now. I don't need to figure it all out right now. Now inhale presence and exhale pressure. Right now, I choose peace over productivity. Right now, I choose peace over productivity. Right now, I choose peace over productivity. Inhale clarity. Exhale noise. Clarity comes when I stop chasing it. Clarity comes when I stop chasing it. Clarity comes when I stop chasing it. Quiet is where my answers live. Quiet is where my answers live. Quiet is where my answers live. Inhale softness. Exhale tension. I release the need to fix. I release the need to fix. I release the need to fix. I am allowed to rest my mind. I am allowed to rest my mind. I am allowed to rest my mind. Peace first, then plans. Peace first, then plans. Peace first, then plans. Take a moment to let the stillness settle. No need to do anything, just be here. Now take one final deep breath in. And a long, soft exhale. Let it go. Feel your body. Feel the stillness. Feel the shift. Your mind is quieter. Your breath is slower. Your body remembers how to be calm. You've just given yourself a system reset, a quiet pause in the noise. You can return to this space anytime. Even a few minutes of calm can reset your entire day. Whenever you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers or stretch if you like. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Come back to the room, carrying this quieter space with you. You're back. You're clear. You're calm. Save this video for the moments your mind gets loud again. And come back anytime. Explore our Calm collection on Cosmic Mind Affirmations for deeper peace. Like, share, and subscribe for more nervous system resets and daily calm rituals.